pretty good.
Wow, Blubber Blub, the hero of the day here. Doing so much. Thank you, thank you. Hope you're enjoying all the things. Mr. Chief, yes. Mr. Chef. Chief Pretty Officer. Mr. Chef. You are correct. Okay, so under here I can use one of these toothpieces.
All right, now.
Oh gosh.
Now what's cooler than being cool? I can't hear you. I said, what's cooler than being cool? Ice cold. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Okay, now.
Thank you, Aaron. Nope. I looked for the toothpiece earlier. I looked for the toothpiece. And they don't make it in gold. They only make the down or this in metallic. They don't make that piece in gold. Yet. I think I have to do...
Well, you shouldn't.
I think I have to do a stud, a single stud piece. Although, it's possible I could make this work. That could be interesting. One by two. I need a 1x2 with studs on both sides. Brown would be preferred. Black, I suppose, can work. What just happened? Oh, Kashkai! Also with the sub, thank you. Thank you for that. I do hope that you enjoy your time here ongoing.
Hello there.
Appreciate your support very much. That is not going to work. It needs to be one of the taller ones because it needs to come right down. I could connect it only to one side, but that's not going to work either. Try again. I could connect it longitudinally. I could do one of these sorts of things. Yes, I could do that. I could do another. There is another. Above it. Actually, this exists. Man. Enjoying it? Okay, good.
General Kenobi.
That doesn't stick out enough. The gold here doesn't stick out enough. So that needs to be just a stud. Oh, no, that can be, it has to, arg. Can it be attitudinally? Can it be a longitudinal jumper? I think it can be. I think it can be, but looking at too many Star Wars memes, yes. But this can work. I think. Or even if I go with a 4.
I will make it legal.
The gold Nexo shield? Yes, is real. See, what you need is a stud you can insert into an anti-stud to instantly change direction. What a concept, Kobe.
I've been expecting you.
Be a really useful part of this. And Beck, hello. Didn't see you come in. How you doing? I'm getting there. I'm getting there. I'm getting there. Now I'll be able to use my 1x2, or I could use a 1x1 with studs on all sides. A 1x1 with